Shall we go for a drive?
Let's. On a flat, straight road, using just the left and the right foot is enough. But it's up on a steep hill. You need 3 feet or smarts to keep from stalling the motor. You can use emergency brake or a quick foot to clutch and hope there's no one close behind you because there is a bit of rollback.
I thought I undid it. We're going for a drive. Grandma's driving her Ranger.
On our 1928 Hubmobile, I could play a tune on the gear shift and sing along with it. Dad says I was a gear jammer.
It rained last night.
And the birds pooped.
You're good at driving the stick shift, Grandma.
Been doing it since I was used to sit on an apple box in an old Jeep and drive it.
Oh, wow.
And my dad, what happened? He'd say, get in there and move the car up. I could barely see over the hood, but I knew how to shift.
Oh. First before auto?
That's all they used to have way back when. They didn't have automatic transmissions.
Yeah, you're very good at the stick shift, Grandma.
In the olden days, the stick shift used to stick way up here and you didn't even have to bend down for it. And we had an old Hubmobile with the hanging onto the clutch and grinding the gears. It was funny. My father hated it. Says I was ruining it.
What gear do you go in when you get to a stop sign?
Well, if I was in third, I would go down to second, and I don't really have to shift to the beginning again, because it's got, but you're not supposed to do a California coast.
So what gear are you in now?
Second.
And now we're doing there's no stop sign there. Oh.
Was there?
No. And so,
it's a 25-mile-an-hour zone, so we're not going fast.
And we're in second gear, and then
third gear is real quiet. It quiets down. Well, it's got a fourth gear on the highway too. 4 gears forward, and then overdrive. Plus reverse. Heater works good.
It's a solid little truck that you've had for 30 years.
30 years.
30, 40 years.
Price for it because I knew its value. It could only run and run and run. That's the way the old Rangers were. They just run and run and run. It has trailer hitches. It has one on the front, and that seems kind of strange, but we used to carry my metal on a buggy cart. When I went to the shows, I had so much metal to show, I couldn't get it all in the back. So, and the back has 3 hitches on it because we used 3 different kinds of trailers that had 3 different kinds of hitches.
How far have you driven this? From
here to Idaho on 1 tank of gas.
Oh, that's 400. That's 4 hours.
Yeah. And I got there on 1 tank of gas, but I
I didn't use overdrive that time, and when I used the overdrive, I only got to Coeur d'Alene.
Okay.
Overdrive has so much shifting in it. It uses the gas, but I have 4 gears forward. It's awesome. You get out on the highway and this little guy just hums along. Even with a load.
What gear are you in now?
I'm second. And I'm in second because this is a 25-mile-an-hour speed limit. And if I went into third, it kind of, it's too low a gear and I'm kind of going too slow.
You're going to have to teach me how to drive a stick.
I know you're shiftless right now.
Thanks.
and being that way isn't,
So you're on the, where's the clutch? There's the brake.
clutch is on the left, brake is on the right.
Oh, brake is in the middle. And what gear are you in now?
First, I
First.
put it to first.
First.
And it's a nice smooth clutch. I'm in second. Like if you're going, like you can't shift way down in like up to fourth because you would be only going slow. Third is about 35. Fourth is 50 and above. And this is it likes 60 the best. It will go 70, but it likes 60 the best.
Okay.
I can tell you that being able to shift a car has given me more jobs and job longevity. Working with the Teamsters, I was able to drive their truck when they were short a man.
Yeah, you're
on
good.
on swing shift.
You're really good at stick shift.
One of their guys,
Especially when the cars, manual stick shift are difficult. Because that's all you knew how to drive.
and when we move cars for Ford, I'm the one that always gets the sports cars.
That's cool.
Yeah. They said, "Where's Rusty? We got a sports car to go." And then I pop up my hand and I get to drive a stick shift. And the first day I did it, they watched me to see, to make sure I knew what I was doing. From then on, it was, forget it. Just, she knows what.
Well, let's park it. Let's have a cup of tea. Grandma's heading to Lowe's to pick up some supplies. Wearing her corporate overalls. She's got a crossword. Oh my gosh, we're going around a corner. You're in the wrong gear.
I can park right around there.
Yeah, park wherever you want, Mom. wherever you feel comfortable.
You come out that door, I'd be right here. And the back would be open to the... Oh, God, I missed it. There's enough up here.
That was a good drive, Grandma. So, do you still want to sell the truck? No. You want to keep it,
Not
don't you?
really, but it's in the prime of its life. It's beautiful. It's running good. It's shiny. It's clean. And we got us a new truck and a trailer. We don't need two of everything.
Okay. Well, we'll think about it.